All right, parents. Fall is here and winter is right around the corner. Time to get those kiddos bundled up without breaking the bank. Today, I'm going to share my top tips for shopping online for kids' fall and winter clothes on a budget. First up, discount sites. Websites like Zulily, The Children's Place, and Old Navy have fantastic deals on kids' clothes. Always check their clearance sections for hidden gems. And don't forget to sign up for their newsletters. Many sites offer a discount on your first purchase just for signing up. Next, let's talk coupons. Before you check out, always, and I mean always, search for coupons. Websites like RetailMeNot and Honey can save you a ton. Install the Honey browser extension, and it will automatically apply the best coupons at checkout. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's not overlook secondhand sites. ThredUp and Poshmark are great for gently used kids' clothes. You can find name brands at a fraction of the cost. And don't forget Facebook Marketplace. Local moms are always selling bundles of clothes. Also, consider buying off-season. Retailers will mark down winter clothes at the end of the season. Buy a size up for next year and save big. Remember, it's all about planning ahead and being resourceful. Keep a list of what your kids need and stick to your budget. All right, if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching. Now go get those deals and keep your kids warm and stylish this fall and winter. Catch you in the next video. Bye.